guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal if you're new. This is going to be a walkthrough or like a flip through of my planner setup using my Kikki K. This is the B6 planner. This is the one that was designed with the planner community, I guess. Like there's a few girls that helped design this planner and it is gorgeous. So I'm not going to do a review of the planner, obviously, just a flip through. In here though is still Christmas and winter design. I know I'm so late on this, but I'm finally switching over to spring and summer. I just haven't really been using it too much. So I'm going to try to be as fast as possible. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments and I'll try to get those answered for you. Also, some of this stuff is very personal to me, so I might be covering some of it. I'm just going to throw that out there, and my nails aren't done, so we can ignore it. So here's what she looks like when you first open it. This planner I kind of have designated, it's kind of like my business planner, which is again why it's really personal for my own like kind of business stuff. It's a little bit more put together. I wanted it to be still super cute, but nice enough if I were like to go to a meeting. I wouldn't want anything that's like embarrassing for someone to see. I mean, someone might think Kim Kardashian being the first thing I see when I open it up is embarrassing, but I love her. She is goals. She is like all the way mogul goals. You know what I mean? So like Kardashians are in here, just saying. I'm gonna start over here. So I'm gonna kind of slide this a little bit. First things first, the background right here is just like a little paper that I actually DIY'd myself. It's literally just the paper from like the Michaels books, and then I just laminated it. I have the same little paper here to match it, just for decoration. Just have this little pen. It's just a Papermate Inkjoy red pen because the red matched perfectly. There's this zip pocket here. Is there anything in here? No, I actually don't have anything in this zip pocket, but I do love that feature on here. It's a really nice zip pocket. And I don't have anything behind this little thing either. It's just the decoration up top. And then this back here, I actually DIY'd this myself also. It's actually, I'm pretty sure, a box. Yeah, it was a box from Peter Thomas Roth. But it was super pretty. It's just like a little snowflake, and then I just added an extra snowflake sticker just to give it some dimension and to kind of make it match this guy a little bit. And then I have this little, I was about to say safety pen, paper clip. It is just Breakfast at Tiffany's. I got that for Christmas. And then I have this little paper clip that just says Boss Babe. I got this from the same Etsy shop. I can't remember it right now, but I will definitely include it in the description box below because they are gorgeous, well worth it. And then in here I just have some paper too that I had cut into little strips, so I just DIY'd that too. It's literally just a very small piece of paper because these pockets actually aren't very deep right here. And then I had decorated this a little bit for Valentine's Day also. That's why there's red throughout, mainly for Valentine's Day. So this was just a little thing from like something out of one of the Michaels paper books as well. So it's the same paper basically, and it was right here too, but it got covered up because actually right here I kind of DIY'd this myself too. It's just some like little sticky notes. I just put it on like a piece of plastic. Kind of see the plastic there. That came off though. And then so that it fits perfectly in this little pocket there. I can't get back in all the way, but you guys know. And then this is just a little paper clip. I think my mom actually made this for me. I'm like obsessed with skeleton keys, so I'm pretty sure she made this for me. It's just like a little dangle. It's tucked in and it just dangles. It's super cute. And then I just have two paper clips here. This one I'm pretty sure I got from the same Etsy stores I got the paper clips from. These paper clips. If not, I will have that in the description box below. And this is just a little coffee. I probably got it from Michaels or Target or something. This, yes, like I said, it is La Kim Kardashian herself. I just kind of photoshopped this, printed it out, and laminated it, but this is actually by an artist. That's his logo. I put it there so that I would kind of remember. We'll see a couple of his art in here. This is funny. This is actually like a container from a Sephora Christmas gift set years and years and years and years ago, but I kept it because I thought it was so cute. It's like really nice plastic. It was like an envelope type box and I had just cut it apart, but I thought it matched perfectly for like Valentine's Day. It just went with everything. So I just cut that down to size. For my actual like dividers, you can kind of see them sticking out to the side a little bit here. I actually DIY'd these myself. They're inspired by, I think it's Planning Char. I'll also put in the description box below her shop because she makes them on Etsy and they're so perfect. I'm probably going to end up buying like a couple from her pretty soon, but I want to try to DIY my own first. They're not as great, but I think I did a pretty good job. This is just my dates tab, so it's like my calendars and stuff. I have that there, and so I just have the 2019 at a glance. I think oh, this is from Wonderful Designs. I get a lot of stuff from her, so obviously you know where that'll be too. And then up here, I just have this little paper clip. I think actually my mom made it. It's really simple, just green and a little ribbon. And then it goes into the month. So as you can see, I never even used it going into 2019. That's cool, but like, it looks so pretty though, right? And then it goes, I have just a few more months in here. And then it goes into my weeks. As you can see, I stopped using it after a while. This is just a little like post-it tab that just says the week on there because I never made anything specific to like put at the top. I love how the edges of this paper too, because this is the paper that came with, I think this is actually paper from one of the Michael's Recollections collection books, but it was a little too big. That's why some of the edges are cut off, because I had to like resize it to fit. That's why. That's what it came from. Just has like a little dashboard or divider. This actually DIY'd myself. I am so obsessed. I just love what I did with the dashboards or dividers in here. I just used paper from Michael's and then some washi tape on the edge, and then I laminated them. But these, some of them, oh no, it's coming apart. I'm gonna have to run it through the laminator again and probably tape the edges, but here is another one of the little divider things that I DIY'd myself. This is my to-do section, so some of this stuff might have to be covered up. Oh, some of this stuff's gonna have to be covered up because personal. Here is my to-do list. I just kind of numbered it off, and then I actually put little circles at the end. I just totally DIY'd this myself from the note pages that came with this planner, and then just added little circles at the end so I could check it off once each thing is done. I'm gonna skip a few pages, but basically that's what that looked like. It was just prettier because that was like a set in stone running to-do list, but this is like, I would just fill it in as I go, if that kind of makes sense. That's like, I don't know how to explain it, but it makes sense. So I needed to add little circles at the, oh no, I guess I'll just fill in the circles there once I have it done. Then I just have this little bookmark that I made myself. Oh, I didn't cut slits in it. I need to cut slits in it though, so I can usually take it out and put it back in. These are just macaroons. I actually found these from it came off of a Geico magazine ad, and I just put it on top of blue scrapbook paper and laminated it, and there's my bookmark. I'm gonna make another one of these too. And then I have a few pages that look like this. It's just numbered 1, 2, 3 for each like day. I'll have like a running top 3. I just filled out a couple of those sheets so that I knew what I was wanting them to look like. And so I knew I was gonna forget like which gel pen I used for the colors. So I just did a few of them so that they all matched. And then there's a few left in here that are all blank. So I'm just gonna kind of, ooh, there's a lot in there that's all blank. That's like a lot. Now we come to a new tab. Whoa. I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be Khloe Kardashian. I'm pretty sure, but it's by that same artist as the Kim one. It's either Kylie or Khloe. I'm not even really sure. But so see, again, I have his little signature on it. Here is the back part of that thing from Sephora. I said it was like an envelope type box thing that I cut apart. So there is the back of one. I had a total of 2, so there's 4. And so here's another one of the tabs that I made myself. This is like a financial tab, budget tab kind of, like just to keep track of like how much I spent. Yeah. I think it's cute. I'm gonna have to cover up kind of a lot in this section because I do have some writing in here, but this is just a goals page. I think this is another page that I got from from that same Michael's book. I don't know, it's the planner books that they have together, and you just like rip a few pages out of it, but I had to cut it down to fit the B6 size. It's gonna be an empty one, but this is what's on the other side, so I'm pretty sure it's from the budget, or like, yeah, the budget book from that. Probably a lot of it I was gonna end up whiting out, using whiteout to cover up and obviously add my own like labels and stuff in there. Haven't gotten going with anything yet, that's why it's blank, obviously. And so the back just has like the running budget or whatever. Oh, here's a blank one of that page. It's just what it looked like. I'm pretty sure it came from the budget one though, because it does have budget stuff on the other side. And this, I actually don't know why this is in this specific spot, but it is. This is kind of like my own DIY vellum that I made. I had some clear Christmas bags from forever ago, and I finally just cut them apart to size, used them as like vellum, like a DIY vellum. And then I got these huge, like really pretty snowflake stickers from like the dollar store, so that's one of those stickers. And then randomly I just had this, oh, there's like hair, piece of plastic from something, some product or something that I had bought, but it fit perfectly. I just put some more of the stickers from the dollar store set of all of the snowflakes just to give it some dimension, you know, some decoration, and it just sits in there. Snowflakes. And like I said, I don't know why that one was there, because it's like in the middle of more of these budget trackers. I'm not sure why I did that. Here's another little art, and I guess it's gonna be kind of like a new section in here. That's why I had this little paper clip, and again, this is a paper clip that I got from my mom. Pretty sure she made it herself or bought it from somewhere. This art is by the same guy. It's supposed to be Cassie, the singer, but I just think they're so pretty. They all match this planner so well. They all match each other so well. And then I just have some like note pages. I actually don't know why these are even in this section. I don't know what my thinking was, but I didn't finish like labeling everything. That's the problem. So I have just some of the lined note pages that came with this planner, and also some of the grid paper, like graph paper that came with this planner as well in here for different types of note taking. Here is the other one of the Sephora little box envelope things. All right, and here is another one of the little DIY tabs that I made myself. It says names on it. It makes sense for what I have going on. It's just like things like friends and stuff that I would give some of my stuff to, and like their information stuff. That's why I have it covered up. So there's this paper in here to cover up people's names and information, obviously private. Then I have this little card that's just from one of the little Michaels paper sets. Just says "You're so sweet" and "Bonjour." The little macaroons. I thought it was so cute. I think I'm actually going to keep this in here because my spring summer stuff is this same paper, so that'll probably stay. I just like folded it over so that it's not just plain white on the back. Underneath here is just friends information. I had to cover up some more people's information, but this is just another piece of that clear bag that I had that I DIY'd into my own little vellum sheet, and then I have some more friends information. So again, we're gonna skip this page. And then I have this little art that I printed out. This is by a different artist. Do I have it on the back? It's the Megan Hess, I think is her name. I'm really not sure. But as you can see, I had cut these out like around their like actual shape before I started leaving them just full. This again, I don't know if I should have slits in it so that I can easily remove it, but I don't know. I should have left it as one piece instead of it being separate like that, but it's okay. Here's another dashboard divider that I DIY'd myself with the paper from the Michaels paper book. So cute. I love this paper, and they were so easy to do. Here is another one of my little DIY tab. This is the needs section, things that I guess I just need to do or keep in mind with what I have going on for my businesses. Some account notes. It's like keywords, if you're familiar with like what's it called, I guess like hashtags and stuff. I don't know. So that's just there. That's all I had so far, and then I stopped. Just some more lined paper that came with the planner. This is some of the blank scrap paper, like note page, I guess, that came with the planner as well. So I should have a few of the blank pages in here. And this paper quality is so much better than like any other Kikki K planner. It's so thick and so nice. Here is another one of a little art. This one is actually Gigi Hadid. See, they all match so perfectly. This is by a different artist, so this is the third artist now that I have in here. This is from Hayden Williams, so I actually have his name on the back of that one just so that I remember. Again, I had just printed it out and laminated it. Here is the last part of that Sephora envelope box thing. It's just so cute. And here is another one of the little tabs that I made myself. It just says inspo down at the bottom. These were so hard to make though. Like they were, but they weren't. I had to go in with like an X-Acto knife and like cut around it. It's not like the best. It's not perfect. It's not like the other girl's shop. Then I just have some more of the grid like graph paper, and I have this little red paper clip here, and I'm not really sure why, so I'm just gonna take that off. And then here is another Kim Kardashian, because I actually loved this outfit of her, and this drawing is so gorgeous. It's by the same artist. I think it's like Armendry or something. Oh, not sure. But this is probably one of the first ones that I did. That's why I kept his logo on the front instead of putting it on the back. That's okay. I learned. I lived and I learned. Here is another one of my little dividers that I made myself, and it actually matches the background that's in the front, so I thought that was cute to just have this as one of the last ones. Just from the paper book from Michaels. It's so pretty. And here is the last of the tabs that I made myself, DIY'd. This one is just the notes section. Super pretty. And then for the notes, I guess I decided blank pages was gonna be best for right here. So I just have some more of the Kikki K that came with this planner right there. And then in the back, I just have this zippy pouch. I don't think this came with it. I could be wrong. I don't know why, I can't remember. And then I just have a ruler. I always have like a dashboard in the back so that my pages don't get that weird crease on it and like get stuck right here. So that prevents it. So this is just that like board. And then this is just a bow. It matched so perfectly. It's just this really glittery blue bow that I had actually got from the dollar store around Christmas time, or Walmart somewhere. They had like a ton of these bows. And I just wrapped it around, just DIY'd it, wrapped it around the big paper clip and just stuck it on there so that it sat like right in the middle of my planner. I'm taking the paper clips out though because I'm about to change everything out. out. And right here, I just have the note packet that came with this planner. This one was super cute, how it has like all of the designs around the edge. It's so cute. And then I just have this little baby mini pen that I got from the dollar store for Valentine's Day. It's actually got hearts on it because it's from Valentine's Day, but the blue just matched perfectly. So, oh, I didn't realize I had 2 different papers on that one. Super pretty. But that one is like reversible, you know? And this is actually supposed to be Christmas trees, but I put the thing on the wrong side, so they're upside down Christmas trees. But so yeah, so that is everything for this planner setup and planner walkthrough. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just gotta show you guys the Kim K one last time because she's gorgeous in the front. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will do another walkthrough or like flip through of this planner once I have it set up for spring and summer. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Any thoughts? If you like these videos, you want me to do more planner videos, please give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss out on any of my planner videos that I post. And I will see you guys in the next video. Muchísimas gracias. Bye guys.